Net Zero Awareness Building Climate Resilient and Sustainable Organizations, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Thank you for joining us. Around the world, businesses are experiencing one of the most significant transformations in modern industrial history. Climate change, resource scarcity, rising energy costs, regulatory expectations, investor requirements, customer preferences, and global sustainability commitments are reshaping the way organizations operate. Today, sustainability is no longer viewed solely as an environmental responsibility. It has become a strategic business priority. Organizations that successfully integrate sustainability into their business models are improving operational resilience, strengthening stakeholder confidence, enhancing competitiveness, and creating long term value. One of the most important global commitments driving this transformation is a journey toward net zero emissions. Governments, multinational corporations, financial institutions, and supply chains worldwide are establishing ambitious climate targets to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition towards a low carbon economy. Understanding net zero is therefore essential for business leaders, executives, engineers, sustainability professionals, compliance teams, and decision makers responsible for shaping the future of their organizations. In today's presentation, we will discuss the concept of net zero, its business implications, implementation strategies, international frameworks, and how organizations can successfully begin their sustainability journey. Why net zero matters? Climate change is no longer a future concern, it is a present business reality. Organizations across every sector are witnessing increasing impacts from changing weather patterns, resource constraints, supply chain disruptions, stricter environmental regulations, carbon pricing mechanisms, and growing stakeholder expectations. Customers increasingly prefer environmentally responsible organizations. Investors evaluate environmental, social, and governance (ESG) performance before making investment decisions. International buyers require suppliers to demonstrate sustainability commitments. Governments are introducing regulations encouraging carbon reduction and energy efficiency. Financial institutions are integrating climate risk into lending and investment decisions. Consequently, organizations that proactively address climate related challenges gain a significant competitive advantage. Net zero is becoming an important component of corporate governance, strategic planning, operational excellence, and long term business sustainability. Understanding net zero. What exactly does net zero mean? Net zero refers to achieving a balance between greenhouse gases emitted into the atmosphere and those removed or offset. The objective is not merely reducing emissions but minimizing emissions wherever technically and economically feasible while addressing any remaining unavoidable emissions through scientifically credible removal mechanisms. Greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrous oxide, N2O, hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, perfluorocarbons, PFCs, sulfur hexafluoride, SF6. These gases contribute to global warming by trapping heat within the Earth's atmosphere. For industries, emissions originate from multiple sources, including electricity consumption, fuel consumption, industrial processes, transportation, purchased goods, business travel, waste generation, and supply chain activities. A net zero strategy therefore requires organizations to identify, measure, reduce, monitor, and continuously improve greenhouse gas emissions throughout their operations. Global drivers of net zero. The movement toward the net zero is supported by several international initiatives and frameworks. These include the Paris Agreement, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs), Science Based Targets Initiative (SBTI), ISO 14064 Greenhouse Gas Standards, ISO 14068 Carbon Neutrality, Greenhouse Gas Protocol, Task Force on Climate Related Financial Disclosures (TCFD), International Sustainability Standards Board (ISSB), Corporate Sustainability Reporting Initiatives, Many multinational corporations now require suppliers to disclose greenhouse gas emissions and sustainability performance as part of procurement processes. Organizations that establish credible net zero strategies strengthen their ability to participate in international supply chains and global business opportunities. Business benefits of net zero. Implementing net zero initiatives provides significant business advantages. These include reduced operational costs through energy efficiency, lower fuel consumption, improved resource utilization, reduced waste generation, enhanced operational resilience, stronger corporate reputation, increased investor confidence, improved ESG ratings, better regulatory preparedness, access to sustainable finance, competitive differentiation, improved customer trust, greater market opportunities. Rather than viewing sustainability as an expense, leading organizations recognize it as a long term investment in business growth and resilience. Developing a net zero roadmap. Developing a successful net zero strategy requires a structured approach. The journey generally includes step 1, leadership commitment. Means executive management establishes climate objectives aligned with corporate strategy. Step 2 is greenhouse gas inventory. Means measure scope 1, scope 2 and relevant scope 3 emissions. Step 3, baseline assessment. Means understand current emissions sources and identify improvement opportunities. Step 4, target setting. Means develop measurable short-term, medium-term and long-term reduction goals. Step 5, reduction initiatives. Example include energy efficiency improvements, renewable energy adoption, process optimization, waste reduction, water conservation, sustainable procurement, green logistics, digital transformation, circular economy initiatives. Step 6, performance monitoring. Establish KPIs, management reviews and control improvement mechanisms. Step 7, reporting and communication. Means publish sustainability reports demonstrating transparency and accountability. Then next is the role of employees and in leadership. A successful net zero strategy requires participation across every level of the organization. Leadership must establish vision, allocate resources, and integrate sustainability into corporate governance. Department heads should incorporate sustainability into operational planning. Engineering teams should identify process improvements. Procurement teams should engage sustainable suppliers. Employees should contribute through responsible energy use, waste reduction, and continuous improvement initiatives. Creating a culture of sustainability ensures long-term success. At last, conclusion and invitation. The transition to net zero represents one of the greatest opportunities for organizations to strengthen competitiveness, improve resilience, reduce operational costs, and contribute positively to global sustainable development. Organizations that begin this journey today will be better positions to meet future regulatory requirements, customer expectations, investor demands, and international market opportunities. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is committed to supporting organizations through professional training, consulting, certification, audits, inspections, ESG implementation, greenhouse gas management, ISO standards, and sustainability excellence. We invite organizations, corporate leaders, sustainability professionals, consultants, and industry experts to participate in our net zero awareness training and begin building a practical roadmap toward a sustainable and climate resilient future. For registrations and corporate training inquiries, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile/WhatsApp number is +91 7359458455. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please contact us through WhatsApp for registration, and please share your email ID on WhatsApp. We will send you training details. Thank you for watching. If you found this presentation valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights on ESG, sustainability, ISO standards, climate action, corporate governance, environmental management, energy management and international certification programs. Together, let us build resilient organizations responsible industries, and a sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you.